Alright, so first fill stop done. I didn't give you a shout of how this thing looks. It's dirty already. I didn't wash it because I know that the bad luck mojo that comes when you wash your bike before a trip, right? You wash it, you're going to get nailed in every rainstorm. But yeah, she's holding pretty good, so I'm not too worried about it. Yeah. So I'm in LaSalle. I made my first fuel stop and had lunch while I was here too, so next stop will probably be in the Quad Cities. I didn't check my mileage, but it's getting a little warm. It's not bad, but yeah, we did wet the head sock down, and that'll help. That'll help. Glasses are on my face. We good. Gotta grab more brake than I'm used to. I was kind of going between stopping here at this new Quick Trip that just opened up, and the next exit there's a Sap Brothers and a Speedway. So I ended up stopping here and had a couple of brisket tacos. They were all right. I mean, you know, there was no cheese or anything on them, so, but they were okay for $10 for 2 brisket tacos and any size drink. It's not terrible, but you know, would I go out of my way to get it? No. No. I know exactly where I'm at now. I've been this way before. I've been lost before. This is what it looks like. Clutch feels good, which is good. And please go. Alright, let's get back on the highway, and glasses on my face, right? Yeah, we good. Glasses are on my face. Let's get westbound and down and get into Iowa. We'll probably stop. Next stop will be in probably be Iowa 80 actually. That'll be about 100 miles from now. So yeah, that's probably a good place to stop, because I don't know if I'll be able to make it all the way to Coralville to Hawkeye Harley. So we'll see. Alright, we'll pick this up as we cross into the fields of opportunity. Alright, see you. For me it'll be about an hour. For you guys it'll be, you know, 30 seconds unless something interesting happens. Alright, well, 3 hours in, I don't know if you can see that, 166 miles so far. And we are coming up on the junction with Interstate 88 with horrible signage for Sterling and Rock Falls. Why not Aurora? Why not Rockford? Why not, you know, why not Chicago? That'd be good. I mean, yeah, 80 and 88 both go to Chicago, but still. Why not sign Roche? Why not sign Rockford? Why not sign DeKalb? Would be better. Jeez Louise. But 4 miles away from another state land. And about another hour away from my next pit stop, which is going to be at Hawkeye Harley in, it's actually in Coralville, which is just outside of Iowa City. It goes Iowa City, Coralville, and then a little bit north and west of there is Cedar Rapids. So they're all kind of in the same general area, but yeah. I've basically been doing 80 on 80 the whole way and making good time. Like I said, I stopped for probably half an hour and got gas and lunch and da-da-da-da-da. But other than that, and that little bit of a delay when we first got going, we're making good time. So with any luck, we'll be in Omaha in about 4.5 hours, so about 5 o'clock, and then about another hour to get to Lincoln, hopefully. And we're about like 2 hours straight through to Des Moines. 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours. Like I said, I think Des Moines, like at exit 127, we crossed like 306. It means we got 180 to do. So, you know, math class. Although I'm probably going to stop at the Welcome Center, at least get a drink real quick, fill my small water bottle and re-moisten my head sock. Don't need to get fuel yet. We'll wait to Coralville for that. There's the river. M-I-S-S-I-S-S-I-P-P-I. The mighty Mississippi. Woohoo! Crossing state border, entering Iowa. LeClaire, home of the American Pickers. Out of the river valley. Oh, we don't have that Fields of Opportunity, the old one. Freedom to flourish. Okay. All right. I wish they would have stayed with the Field of Opportunity. Des Moines 175. Okay, so it's a little further than I thought it was. Silos and smokestacks. Okay. We'll stay with this until we pass the world's largest. No, I'm going to stop and yeah. I'm going to stop here in a minute and do that. So yeah. Yeah, we'll be back in a minute. We'll be back when we get close to Iowa 80. At least give you a visual of it. Alright, see you in a little bit. Alright, we didn't stop at the rest area because I made the decision. We're at a half tank of gas right now, so I'm going to just stop at Iowa 80 or at the Pilot across the street, and we're going to get gas, get a drink. And it's starting to cloud up. I want to check the radar too and see what we're looking like. Yeah. I thought we were going to be okay, but we'll see. But we'll get some shots of it, of the parking lot. I don't know if we're actually going to go in or not, because I'm trying to make as good a time as I can. I'm trying to stay ahead of the rain. I think if we get past Des Moines, I think if I get past Des Moines, I'll be okay. But we're still 2.5 hours to Des Moines. And it's, what, 1 o'clock? So yeah, we'll be in Des Moines like 3:30, which isn't bad. We'll probably stop again around Newton, top up again, get a drink again. Probably the west side of Des Moines, and then we'll see, yeah. The world's largest truck stop, Iowa 80. Putting the tinted shield on, but I don't know if I want to or not with it kind of clouding up like it is. Starting to have an ad for the Truckers Jamboree, which is what? It's the weekend after the 4th of July. How busy is the parking lot? Yeah, we'll go here. We'll go here. Find a pump. Always weird here. BPs or gas pumps are green. Alright, I'll be back after I get some gas and get a drink. Alright, well, I hadn't been here since they redid everything. It's if you haven't been here in a while, check it out. They've done some nice work. I gotta figure out how to go in there and rever and how to go in a rever and how to go in a rever and change it to standard, because it's in metric right now. Oh yeah, that's right, they're in Iowa this week. I forgot. They're in Iowa. They're down the street. We'll go by the Speedway today. We'll be there. That's in Newton. Alright, westbound and down. We'll pick this up in Coralville at the shop. We're about 45 minutes from there. Da 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 da. Hey, look, we found Route 6 again. How about that? Fancy that. Got my key. We're good. Alrighty. I checked the future cast. I didn't really look at the radar. Here they're not talking about rain till like 8. Des Moines, I think it said like 6. And you know, we're about 2.5 hours from Des Moines. Even stop at the shop, we'll be in we'll be there in, I don't know what, we'll be through Des Moines in about 3 hours, even stopping. So yeah, by 4:30 we'll be in Des Moines, and then we're making good time. That was kind of just a pit stop. I didn't need to stop for gas, but it was like, well, we're at a half tank. Might as well go ahead and get it now and check that. Da, da, da. I'm still having issues finding the damn Super 8 on the hotel.com. I don't know why. I don't know why. So I'll go on and look at some other spots and da 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 da. I don't know why it's doing that. figure it out. Alright, we'll pick this up after we stop at the shop. See you in a little bit. Alright, coming into Iowa City. The home of the University of Iowa. Yeah, this was Caitlin's Clark, so it's stopping. I don't know where she went to high school at. I thought she went to high school around here. I don't know. But I'm sure we're going to get some University of Iowa stuff. I think I have my phone set up to do this now and talk to me to give me directions, because the phone's getting hot, so the screen's kind of dim. I couldn't really see it with my tinted shit visor in, and I think when we stop at the dealer, I'm gonna take a peek and see if I can find that lock real quick. If I can't, we're gonna buy one. Well, I'll check what Cycle Gear wants for one, because there's one in Omaha. And yeah, we'll go from there. I mean, if it's not, you know, if it's only $5 more or something like that, we'll just get the Harley branded one and be done with it. Assuming they have a disc brake lock. Coralville. Surprised I didn't really see any University of Iowa stuff. I know Hawkeye Harley is exit 240, so that's Extreme Arena. Is that University of Iowa's stadiums? Lynn County, that's Cedar Rapids. VAU Iowa Hospital Athletic, okay. Alright, she is talking to me. Yay! It's kind of weird they got you go around the back, but whatever. I guess it's not too bad. And there's a pig here for some reasons. I don't know. Oop, that's not good. Alright, let me dig through and see if I can find that thing real quick. Alright, and then we're going to heat this up. It's getting hot. I'm going to put my tinted shield in too. Alright, we'll see you in a bit.